I have HTC U12 Plus with activated pattern and fingerprint protection, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation and how to remove all kinds of the screen lock method. So in order to do it, you need to flash your device. So you can do it by using the firmware, by using our link under the video. So you can just download the firmware to your device, to your HTC U12 Plus, and then you need to just move your firmware to your microSD. So here I have microSD, here I have my firmware. So now all you need to do is, of course, insert this microSD in your device. So let me do it. Let me open the following tray right here. Let's just press it to open the whole tray. Alright, here you need to insert the microSD. Here I have my card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Alright. Now let's put the whole thing into your device. And then you need to press power key. Alright, let's try to unlock the screen. Of course, let's suppose that you forgot your pattern. Now you need to start holding power key. Keep holding power. Let's keep holding power, and when your phone goes black, you need to release power and start holding volume down. So it is now. Let's hold down volume down, and this is the bootloader mode. So here you can navigate by using both volume keys. Let's choose reboot to download, press power key to confirm it, and wait a couple of seconds. So if you have the firmware on your SD card, the download mode should ask you if you would like to flash your device. Let's wait a few seconds. As you can see here, if you would like to flash your device, you need to press volume up. So let me press volume up to start flashing. And basically the HTC is flashing itself. The device is flashing the new firmware, so you need to wait a few seconds. The whole operation may take a while, even a few minutes, so let's just wait until the whole process will be completed. Do not interrupt while the flashing is performing. Alright, so the flash is done. Now let's just press power key to continue. And let's press power key one more time just to switch on the device. Alright, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done, and as you may also notice, there is no pattern or a password or even the fingerprint protection, so you can start easily activate and use your smartphone. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.